Hello everyone and welcome to ixamBee, where we help you to prepare 50% faster. I'm Dr. Sini Shibu, and in this video, I'm going to analyze the Phase 2 Paper 2 of SEBI Grade A IT stream. So if you look at the previous calendar of SEBI IT examination, you would find that the Phase 2 online examination commenced on February 21st, 2026. Let us have a look at what kind of questions were asked in the Phase 2 examination. So if we analyze the Phase 2 Paper 2 based on the memory-based questions shared by the students, we would find that a majority of questions came from data structures. There were questions such as data structures to implement indexes, graph that follows irreflexivity, nodes in a binary tree. Given the edges and faces, you had to find the number of vertices in a graph. Some question based on hash tables and BST, graph-based question, number of edges in a graph, and simple questions on stacks and queues. There were also questions on separate chaining and load factor. You were also asked questions related to pre-order traversal of BST. Even prefix of an expression was asked in one of the questions. In the binary tree type of a question, you had to find the number of edges for n nodes. The tree height, Kruskal's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, AVL tree, and adjacency list based questions also came from data structures. The next major category was OOPS and programming languages. Here, implementation code was asked in C++, Java, as well as Python. Some major category of questions included questions on OOPS concept, access modifiers in C++. There was an inheritance code in Java. Anonymous function in Java was a topic that was asked in one of the questions. Then you had substring function in Java, first character extraction in Java, time complexity of finding the string length in Java. Some other topics were finding keyword in Java and also the variable type in Java. In the Python section, you had the list code in Python. You had a string to JSON conversion code in Python, JSON specific code in Python, NumPy matrix multiplication, and also slicing in Python. A lot many questions were also asked from the algorithms section. Here, some of the important topics were Strassen's algorithm, worst case of quicksort, merge sort recurrence relation, sorting algorithms in general, time complexity, greedy approach, merge and quicksort comparison, mod 10 algorithm, backtracking, jump search, interpolation search, and branch and bound. So you see that in these three major categories of data structures, programming languages, and OOPS and algorithms, majority of the questions were covered. So if you're preparing for SEBI IT, what are the key takeaways from this analysis? You must have a good understanding of data structures and their related concepts. You must concentrate on algorithms and their time complexities also. You have to develop your proficiency in C++, Java, and Python. You have to pay special attention to Java because a lot many questions are asked on Java. If we talk about the Python programming languages, recently it is seen that the number of questions asked in Python section has also increased. So make sure that you have a proper understanding of all the syntaxes of these three programming languages. ixamBee has a wonderful track record of previous selections at SEBI examinations. With your hard work and our mentorship, I am sure that you are also going to find yourself on the wall of fame.
ixamBee's SEBI Grade A IT online course is designed to cover every aspect of the exam comprehensively. The course includes structured modules on information technology, professional knowledge covering all Phase 1 and Phase 2 IT syllabus topics in depth. Combined with mock tests, previous year papers, and expert mentorship, this course equips you with everything needed to succeed. Start your preparation today and take a confident step towards your SEBI IT career.
I hope this video gave you a better understanding of what should be your focus areas if you are targeting SEBI IT examination. I wish you all the best and thank you for watching.